what's up YTV, you listening your boy DJ Y and we're back with another episode. You already know that last night was major, so powerful. We had Rolling Loud Festival in New York City. As a big fan of G-Unit, I was happy to see Tony Yayo and Uncle Murder with Curtis, but honestly I want to see all G-Unit members on the same place. So now I want to show you highlights of the show. 50 Cent brings out Boogie Wit Da Hoodie on the stage. Man, this is why I love Curtis 50 Cent Jackson. He always gives me some love, support and props to young generation. Boogie Wit Da Hoodie is really very talented rapper. I'm not a big fan of his music, but he is really dope artist without doubts, bro. So guys, now I want to show you Davis and Jay Stone reunion at Rolling Loud Festival. I wish Nipsey was alive.
Let's some motherfucking noise for Jay Stone. Let's bounce on it real quick.
Honestly guys, I really don't know this is Jay Stone's first appearance at Rolling Loud, but Jay Stone is really dope. One of the most underrated rapper of all time, man. His music really sounds different, man. This man really has some powerful skills, man. The marathon still continues. Now I want to show you Bobby Shmurda and Jay Stone funny video. Come on. So this is what it is. On the screen you're watching highlights of the last night Rolling Loud Festival, man. This was one of the dopest Rolling Louds ever. A$AP Rocky, Lil Nas X, G-Unit, 50 Cent, everyone killed this show, man. This was really hip-hop celebration. We had a celebration like Bone Thugs-n-Harmony said, man. But my favorite show was by legendary, you guess, 50 Cent and G-Unit in the house. And I will say it again, I wish to see all the members of G-Unit on the same place. So before I will finish the video, I want to show you very exclusive footage. 50 Cent's girlfriend Cuban Link chilling with G-Unit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells and visit hiphoptvy.com. Peace.